In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI for homework help. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, start a chat, ask a clear question, and use follow-ups to get explanations that make sense for you. First, open your web browser and head to grok.com. On the home page, look for the chat option. Click it to enter the main conversation space where you'll interact with the AI. Once you're there, start a new conversation. This gives you a clean thread focused on the assignment you're working on, which makes it easier to keep everything organized and refer back to answers later. In the chat box, type your homework question. The more context you give, the better Grok can help. For example, include your subject and level, any instructions from your teacher, the exact problem or prompt, and what you've already tried. A strong question might sound like, I'm working on ninth grade algebra. Here's the equation I need to solve, and here's where I got stuck. Please explain the steps and common mistakes. Keep personal details out of your prompt and stick to the assignment details. When your question is ready, click send or press enter. Remember, clarity is key. If your prompt is specific, mentioning the topic, constraints, and your attempt, you'll usually get a more targeted, useful response. Grok will begin answering right away. You'll see the response appear in real time. Give it a moment to finish generating so you can view the complete explanation from start to finish. Once the answer is done, read through it carefully. Check that each step makes sense and lines up with what your class is covering. If something feels off, compare it with your notes or textbook to verify. Now make the most of follow-up prompts. This is where the learning really clicks. If the explanation is too advanced, ask Grok to make it simpler. You can say, explain this in simpler terms, break it into smaller steps, or give me a quick summary. If you prefer a different style, ask for a real-life example, a diagram description, or a checklist of steps. You're not adding new tasks, you're refining the same answer so it fits your understanding. Use follow-ups to fine-tune until the solution is clear. Keep iterating. Ask for definitions of unfamiliar terms. Request a shorter path or have Grok point out common pitfalls to avoid. That's it. Go to grok.com, open chat, start a new conversation, ask your homework question clearly, send it, wait for the full response, and use follow-up prompts like asking for a simpler explanation to learn faster and with more confidence.